Do you struggle with budgeting? Are you constantly finding yourself short on cash or surprised by unexpected expenses? If so, you're not alone. Budgeting can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. Today we're going to delve into some of the most common budgeting mistakes people make and offer practical solutions to avoid them. First things first, one of the biggest mistakes is not having a budget at all. A budget is a roadmap for your money. It helps you understand where your money is going and how much you have left to spend. If you don't have a budget, it's time to create one. It may seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Start by listing your income and expenses, then allocate your money towards your needs, wants, and savings. Another common mistake is forgetting to account for irregular or unexpected expenses. Things like car repairs, medical bills, or even a spontaneous weekend getaway can throw your budget off course. To avoid this, set aside a small portion of your income each month for an unexpected expenses category. This way, when life throws you a curveball, you're prepared. Underestimating your expenses is another pitfall to avoid. It's easy to forget about small everyday expenses like a morning coffee or an after-work drink. These costs add up and can make a big dent in your budget. To combat this, track your spending for a few weeks to get a clear picture of where your money is going. You might be surprised at what you find. And then there's the mistake of not adjusting your budget. Life changes, and so should your budget. If you get a raise, move to a more expensive city, or have a baby, your budget needs to reflect these changes. Review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure it aligns with your current lifestyle and financial goals. Lastly, many people fail to save for the future. Living paycheck to paycheck without putting money aside for retirement or emergency savings is a risky move. Aim to save at least 20% of your income each month. If that's not possible, save as much as you can. Every little bit counts. In summary, to avoid common budgeting mistakes, remember to create a budget, account for unexpected expenses, accurately estimate your spending, adjust your budget as needed, and save for the future. By avoiding these mistakes, you can gain control over your finances and achieve your financial goals. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder to hit the subscribe button for more practical tips and advice. Your journey towards financial freedom starts here. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, a well-planned budget is a stepping stone to financial freedom.